Today, I will show you how to add highlights on Instagram. And if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is launch your Instagram application and go to your profile. And I also would like you to know that you can only make a story a highlight. So you need to post a story first. If you do not have anything to post and you already have a reel or a post that you want to make your highlights, I'd suggest you go to the post and then you share the post to your story just like this. Now once the post has been added to your story, if you want to make it your highlight, you're going to click on your story. As you can see, I already have all the stories on it. Now once you have the item on your post, you can see once you look below, you can find activity, boost, and highlight. Now you can either choose to click on the highlight from here, or you can go to more and then choose highlight from here. Once you have the highlights pop up, it's gonna ask you to name your highlight, and we're gonna name this speakers, and we're gonna click on add. Once you're done adding, it's gonna give you the option to view your profile or click on done. Once you click on profile, you should see your highlights on your profile. And as you can see there, once I click on it, I'm gonna see my highlights there. Now that's how to add highlights on Instagram. If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.